These are botanical.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Geneva County in southeastern Alabama, southeastern Houston County in southeastern Alabama. Until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard, a tornado warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Henry and northeastern Houston counties. At 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Webb, or 8 miles southeast of Headland, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Columbia around 2:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Barber, Granbury Crossroads, Pierce, Pleasant Plains, Farley Nuclear Plant, and Sigma. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Henry, Alabama. This is NOAA Weather Radio, station KIH 56 in Texasville, serving the following counties in Alabama.